Hi. I took down everything on my walls and I'm going to paint them and I'm going to like redo my room, and so this is the vlog for that. Besides all of that craziness, I got some decoration for my room at Target. I got these sunglasses. I got this little plant and I got this plant. And I got these little hooks to put stuff on walls. So that's what I got. Now I'm gonna finally paint my room for the last time, do the little edges near the trim, and I'm done with painting for the rest of my entire life. I'm done. Got the lights in action. And look, I added another little thing to my collage, and here's my light up sign. Can't really see. Okay, today I'm going to be putting everything back in my room. As you can see, I already put my dresser right there, and my bed's still in a crazy random spot. Don't mind the mess. And my other dresser's gonna stay there, but I need to bring my other furniture back into my room. So hopefully I don't break something. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I know I'm doing collage and everything, but I feel like I can put hooks over there because I want to put for like jackets and stuff, but I also don't want it to be too much on this wall. And then I also, since I have a huge blank wall now, I want to do another picture collage, but of all my friends and all these pictures. Hey! And so last episode of this series was I repainted my room. It was a really dark purple with blue and silver polka dots on it. So if you guys did not see part 1 of the series, it'll be up in the cards and also linked down below. But here is the final result. I'm going to do a full room tour of my new designed room. So the first thing, my bed, I did not move my bed or anything. I put it in the same exact spot as it was before I decorated my room. Only thing I did was I took off these big poles that were on my bed. Comforting is still the same and all of that. I didn't really do much for my bed. Now over here I have this little dresser that is right next to my bed. I keep my laptop on it. I usually keep my phone on here, but I'm using it to create this video. And then I have this planner that I keep track of every video that I do and video ideas and what to do next on my channel and stuff like that. And then we have my good friend Jeffrey, the succulent, and he just sits here and chills. And this is the only real plant in my room. In these drawers, there's really not much in here. It's just more electronics from a while ago, and then all my yearbooks and stuff are down there. It's nothing fun, nothing good, so I'm not going to go through that. And now for this big J above my bed. This is the J that I spray painted in my last video. If you see the last video, it was a very bright blue color and sparkly, and it just was not going to look good in my room. And with everything put together, I didn't want too much blue in my room. And so, okay, for this section, I have my hooks. I used this over on the other wall before, and I decorated my room. I just have my hooks for my robe, and then my bigger jackets that are kind of cute and kind of like an everyday thing that I wear. So I just keep it here. And now to my makeup section. For this section, this whole furniture piece has been in many of my videos, and like you guys probably already know how it looks. And also I did do a tour of all my makeup in one of my vlogs, so I will put it up in the cards below. But so today I'm just going to do like an overview of everything. And so this mirror I got from this brand named On You. I don't know, it's spelled ANJOU. It's a light up mirror. I use it for all of my makeup and all my videos, and it's just a great mirror. So over here I have this little jewelry box that I keep all of my beauty blenders in. I just don't really have another space for them. Over in this corner I keep all my brushes. I separate my face brushes and eye brushes in 2 different containers. And then behind here I have all of my miscellaneous stuff, I could say. I have some eyebrow stuff, to some eyeliners, to different doohickeys like that. And behind all of this, I have one of these Fake Me Out palettes that I had when I was little. I just hide it back here because I really don't use it anymore. And then here are my 2 big palettes, and these don't fit anywhere else, so I have to keep them back here. Here's my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and then we have the Morphe 350 palette. Let me get this. Oh, and this one's beat up, rugged. I haven't used this in a while, but it's here. And in these drawers, it's really messy in them, so sorry about that. This drawer just has most of my powders in it. That's why it's so messy and powdery in there. And then over here is my biggest section, which is very chaotic in here. I have some lashes, I have some blushes and highlighters. I got all my foundations and face stuff, like concealers in there. And then I have my miscellaneous, I have some sparkles in here, I got some mascara, I got some cream pigments in there, and then all of here I have lip glosses, lipsticks, all of this stuff that does not fit on the top. It's very chaotic. This little area right here, I keep all of the stuff that I need for filming. Usually my tripod and my ring light are over here, but hey, I'm using it, so you can't really see it. But I have a table that I use, and then I have parts for my ring light, and then also a green screen that I finally have iMovie so I can finally use. This sign has been here since like forever, so, but this is from the same company that I got the J sign. It was blue, now it is black. Looks a lot better now, and I'm happy that I did that. Now to the part of my room that I'm most excited about. This is the part of my room where I love it, and this is just like the most aesthetically pleasing part of my entire room, in my opinion. Oh, forgot to tell you where all the lights are from. So all of these purple lights that you see in my room are from Amazon, so you can get all the purple lights you want on there. I have my purple Bible, and then over here I have this candle that my aunt gave to me in this candle case. It is nice and lit right now. It's a scent called lavender. Here is this little thing. It's a fake plant, a fake succulent actually, and then with a vase. I got this from Target. These were sold separately. This was $2.99, and then the vase was $7.99, so not that expensive. Then this bad boy right here is my jewelry box. It's kind of broken and really messy, so I'm not going to show you inside of it because it's not cutest thing. Now over here, here's another fake plant. It's in this gold mirror container. And then I have my nice little lit up sign. Over here is just a lamp. It's kind of broken as well. It's from it's from Apple. It is a iHome, and I just keep it here because it plays music. Alright, here now for this beautiful collage that is going to be growing. I'm going to grow it into this huge thing with another picture there and all these pictures on this wall, and I'm going to do that. I just haven't finished that yet. This is a poem that my grandma wrote for me, and her name is Judy Morlata. I call her Nana Judy. Thank you so much for this poem. It is called For Jasmine, a Winner, and it's very inspiring poem. It's really touching, and I absolutely love that. This picture, my mom actually drew a couple years ago, actually, and so and it was just like laying in our basement, so I just decided to put it in a collage. This is one of my favorite Bible verses: with God all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. And this is one of the posters from one of my recent shows that I did called The Island of Dr. Moreau Remix. It's an original play by Sarah Schulman. This collage is basically like little bits and pieces of my life and who I am. And so here's the collage. It's going to be growing, but it's going to take time, and I wanted to get this video up. And so here it is. This little area, I have another hook that I put my nice purse and my cute little purse right here. It's by Polo. I got it in Panama for real cheap. So I just keep it here. That's all that's on this wall, and it just lays here, and it's cute, and I like it, and it's just easy to just grab it and go when I need to go out the door. Now we are in this little weird corner in my room. I really did not know what to do with it, but I realized that I had this big old thing of furniture that I needed to put in my room, so I just stuffed it in this corner. And this has all my miscellaneous stuff. I'm not gonna really like go through it hardcore or anything. It has socks in this bin right here. Not that entertaining, not that great. This big old thing is from the cheer gym named Fusion. It went out of business a while ago, unfortunately, but I spent most of my childhood cheering for Fusion, and I just had to put it in here. Okay, I think I'm done. Alright, that is it for my two-part series. From this really dark purple room with polka dots on it to this really bright room that has little bits and pieces of myself in it in every corner, and my hard work and dedication from painting this room and to figuring out ideas to redecorate it, to just putting in my time and effort in DIYing some of this stuff and actually going out and buying the stuff with my own money and all of my hard work. And I hope you guys enjoyed this part series. I enjoyed filming it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!